As we begin another rainy season, it is time to plant. And that is why we started a small corn garden right here. The corn has been planted last week. Today is April 6, 2026, and the corn have actually germinated, and it is time to apply organic fertilizer. So we have organic fertilizer right here, and we are going to apply. And the organic fertilizer has been made from banana and plantain peels kept inside the bottle for so long with water there. So we pour the water now into a good quantity of plain water, and we apply the water onto the base of the corns, as the corns have germinated here. So it's the right time to apply the organic fertilizer. Pour it to the base of the corn, one after the other. And this is going to be mixed cropping. Now that the corn have germinated, we are going to plant cassava interspaced between. Come on, come on, come on. Move it. I will kill you. Go back. Go back. Go back. I'm coming. So now, we also carry out thinning, removing any spot where we have like 4 or more corns. And this is how to practice organic farming, organic gardening, purely organic gardening. We do not apply any artificial fertilizer. Rather, we use organic fertilizer as we have seen. Do not forget to like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we bring another interesting video like this. See you in my next video. Bye.